What's going on today, guys? I've got a unboxing video, which I've already unboxed because, you know, live stream for something else. Don't get any views on here anyway. TikTok's the main, and Instagram kind of, sort of. But yeah, I've got some products here that I ordered from Skar Audio, and I feel like they do great in my truck. I've got the factory speakers up front, which are 3.5s. The back seat, or not back seat, behind the seat, it's got 2 10s with a 1600 watt amp. The 10s are kicker 10s, and then I got 2 kickers, 6x9s. Yeah, 6x9s in the corners. Yes, I'm gonna mess up because I'm doing this stuff right here live, and I'm not bothering with it none. But let's get down to business here. I do not have my 3.5 speakers because they're at home. I got them early. These are the Skar 3.5 tweeters that I've got. We'll put the tweeters in the center of the dash. There should be a speaker there, but there's not. So it's a great chance to put two tweeters in there. And these are I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not sponsored by anybody but me. Skar Audio VX35ST. They're 4 ohms, 150 watts. Yeah, I mean, I was on there and I was looking around, and a buddy of mine, he just happened to holler at me. I was asking him questions back and forth, and I sent him screenshots. There was these little bitty tweeters and then these big massive ones. And he said these would be best because of what they're pushing. He said the smaller the tweeter, the less crisp the sound's gonna be. And yes, I said crisp. Gotta excuse the southern slang. Next, I've got a set of Skar Audio 6x9s that come in the mail today. Skar Audio RPX69, 90 watts, 270 is the max. The RPX series speakers, and I'm really enjoying them because the fact that they come with the little grill to keep from touching your speaker and blowing it out. I really enjoy that. It's a little something special. Oh, the grill comes out. Didn't know that. New things you learn. But yeah, it's a 6x9's, got the tweeter built into it, along with the speaker. These trucks didn't come factory with a 6x9. I just kind of rigged mine up to where it fits 6x9s, but I've got a conversion kit coming from eBay. Yeah, eBay. A lot of people down eBay, but I got screwed over by Amazon. It's not even funny. But yeah, I've got these. I've got a 10-inch Skar that's 800 watts by itself. I'm going to order another 10-inch Skar, so I've got 2 back there. I've bought a ported box with a 10-inch kicker for 60 bucks the other day, for 65. I talked to that guy, and he kept messing around with the price, so I jewed him down to 60 finally. And I'm going to take that box since it's a ported box. I've learned that ported boxes sound a lot cleaner and a lot better than a sealed box. I'm going to take that box and put my 10-inch Skar in it for now and see what happens. It should have a little boom boom. I don't know yet. I'll sit there and figure it out eventually. But yeah, that's all I've got today for you. 6x9s came a little chart, so did the 3.5s. I got a little sticker from Skar, so did 3.5s. This is the oddest. Look at this. This is your packaging material, Skar. Like, this is just old cardboard boxes you shredded. I mean, there's like 2 pounds of it. I'll give you that. Ain't nothing gonna touch my speakers. I appreciate that, but ain't y'all got like bubble wrap? And if you're, if there happens to be someone from Skar watching this, thank you for all this. I mean, I paid for it, but you're a lot cheaper than Memphis, and you got about the same sound quality. And you got better sound quality than Kicker. So, I'll keep buying from Skar. If y'all want to know where to get this stuff, scaraudio.com, whatever the website is, go down through there. They've got an array of stuff from 8-inch subs that go to 1,000 watts to like an 18 that's 3,000 by itself. Tweeters, speakers, subs, amps. They got big mono bars, which is different. Everything like that is, I mean, everything's quality. Wouldn't send my stuff anywhere else. But it's the end of the video. Y'all have a great day.